Hey everyone. Well, it's alive. I got it started, got it all running. Had a few issues, but nothing excessive what I can't take care of. As you can see, it's all nice, and even put these new little lights up front here. These ones, these are going to be the marker lights. These are the turn signals, right? I still have to wire in the headlights, but I know everything works for that stuff. Yep, even got the turn signal light to work in there. That works, as well as at the back. You can see they flash nicely. And then we'll go to the other side. Just see both of them flashing. But yeah, it works great. A couple of things I still have to figure out, like there's the roller ball down there. Someone's wire makeshifted it up so it doesn't turn. It's just a solid ball, so it's like a pushing on a square block. Well, let me get this thing started so you guys can hear it. My alternator light is off, so that's a good point. But, really looking forward to how it's going. Even turn on the headlights, the markers. Down the road, I don't have any plates on it. The top's been pretty heavy. And turns it off, and it works beautiful. Well, that pretty much goes for that one. Next will be the headlights. As you can see, it's up for sale. I have lots of people stopping. Oh my goodness, every time I was turning around today, I had people stopping, asking how much, and you know, they want me to do everything for them, so well, if that'll be the case, well, the price will just keep going up. I don't mind. Look how nice that looks in the sun. Even across this way, you can see just the shine on that. That was when I first got it. I put a coat of good wax to it. And it's still dirty, like there's a lot of dust on it, like there's dust on it from sitting and just doing its thing here. So it gives you kind of a quick rundown on it. So, alright, thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video. Maybe in the next video you'll see me go by. Alright, take care, happy buggying.